In this quick video, you will be introduced to the transform controls for scaling pixels. My name is CJ Robb and I'm your facilitator. Let's get started. Begin by selecting a group of pixels. I'm using the Marquee tool located on the main toolbar in the top right-hand column. Make sure that the layer the pixels are located on is the current layer in the layer panel. Once you've selected the pixels, switch to the Move tool located on the main toolbar. Next, go to the Options panel located at the top of your drawing environment. From the Options panel, check the Transform controls. You will now see a bounding box around the selected group of pixels. Pull from any corner to scale the set of pixels. When you are satisfied by the new scale, pick on the check mark located at the top of your screen, or pick the Enter Return key on your keyboard. Remember, if you do not see the Options panel, go to the Window pull-down menu to deploy it from the list of panel options. I'm CJ Robb, and this has been a quick video on scaling pixels using the Transform controls on the Option panel in Adobe Photoshop. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to see more in this series at CJ Robb Classes on the YouTube site located on the channel at Cherise Janelle. Thank you for watching.